Hey creatives, I got a case in point for you. Case in point, if you're coming off a migraine or not feeling well or just struggling for a few days, don't plunge right back in as though everything is normal. It takes time to adjust back to whatever your regular scheduled program is after you've been ill or struggled or had stress or just something got in your way. It's normal, it's natural, there's no shame in it. Recovery takes time, it's just one of those things. So what can you do to feel like you're actually making progress while you're recovering? Pretty simple. Make something. Let it be tiny. Let it be terrible. But let it exist. When I say make something, I mean it. Make one tiny thing. Write a single sentence. Let it be completely wrong. Don't tell me you can't think of what to write, because you can. It's just not the thing that you want to write. So write the wrong thing. I'm serious. Draw the wrong thing. Write the wrong chords. Do it wrong. Just a little tiny bit. Because if you do, you will actually be helping yourself get ready to do it right when you feel better. But if you just stop, every time you stop, it's like a bicycle. If it's stopped, it takes real effort to get it going. But if you kept it going even while you weren't pedaling and didn't stop, it's a lot easier to get it going again, isn't it? A lot easier to get your feet in the pedals and start pushing. Inertia helps. Your creative inertia is one of your most important tools. Even when you feel like absolute garbage, keep going. Make something. Don't stop. It's okay if it's wrong and tiny and terrible. You don't have to show it to anyone, and you don't even have to keep it. Just keep going. You can do this, creative. You're not alone. I'm on this path with you, and so are a lot of others. Now sit down with me and let's make something new.